Hello, coding stars! Welcome back to another fun adventure with Scratch. Are you ready to take your games to the next level? Today, we're learning something super cool: variables. Let's see, what is a variable? Imagine a variable like a magic box that can hold numbers, words, or any other information. Just like you can store your toys in a box, a variable stores data in a computer program. For example, in a game, it can keep track of your score, your player's health, or even the number of coins you've collected. In Scratch, variables help us remember important things. They can go up, down, or even disappear, just like magic. Ready to learn how to use them? Let's go! Alright, coding stars, let's create our first variable. Follow these steps. Make a variable. Go to the orange variables section. Click on Make a Variable. Name it score or anything you like. Set my variable to 0. Drag the block Set my variable to 0 to the code area. This means our score starts at 0. Change my variable by 1. Drag Change my variable by 1. This adds 1 point to the score every time something good happens in the game. Show and hide the variable. Want to hide it for a surprise ending? Use Hide Variable. Want to see your score on the screen? Use Show Variable. Let's use our new variable skills in a fun game. We're going to make a ping-pong game where you get points every time the ball touches the paddle. Ready? Let's do it! Step 1. Setting up the game. Select a backdrop. Add a ball sprite and a paddle sprite. Add green flag block. Then add go to X0, Y0 block. Now add point in direction 45 for diagonal movement. Make the ball bounce around using motion blocks. Add Move 10 steps block. Add If on edge, bounce block. Add a forever block to wrap the moving and bouncing blocks. Now let's run the code to see the results. Let's move the paddle with the arrow keys using when right arrow key pressed, and when left arrow key pressed. Go to Code section of Paddle Sprite. Add when right arrow key pressed block to the code. Add Change X by 80 block. Add when left arrow key pressed block. change x by minus 80 blocks. Step 2. Scorekeeping with variables. Make a variable called score. Set the score to 0 at the start of the game using set score to 0. Show the score variable. Whenever the ball touches the paddle, use change score by 1 to update the score. Add if touches paddle, then block in the forever block. Add change score by 1 inside if add turn right 180 degrees after that. Turn right 180 degrees to change the ball direction. Step 3. Adding fun effects. Add sound effects to make it more exciting. Add bowing sound to the ball sprite. You can also change the backdrop when the score reaches certain points for an epic level up moment. Now let's run the game and enjoy the results. Wow, look at that score going up. Great job, coding stars! You just made your own scorekeeping system using variables. Now your games can be even more exciting. Do you want to make the game more fun? Try these challenges. Add a timer to see how fast you can score 10 points. Make the ball go faster every time you reach 5 points. Add a game over message when you miss the ball. That was awesome, coding stars! You learned how to use variables to keep score and made your very own ping pong game. Keep practicing and try adding more features. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your amazing creations. See you next time and keep shining, coding stars! Bye-bye!